gonna be the last quiet startup of the channel. But I didn't have the sport version. Why? Because at the time I didn't have cat deletes, and when I got the cat deletes and then without the muffler in it, it sounded way too raspy and way too loud. I went ahead and ordered the sport version of the CNL because I have cat deletes, X-pipe, and then stock mufflers. But stock mufflers don't do the job. It sounds loud, but on full throttle it just doesn't sound like a 5.0 screaming, you know what I mean? I'm so excited. This thing is finally gonna sound like a 5.0. See boys, it's louder, but it just doesn't scream. Let's go fix that.
Now I'm in the game, I was on the bench. First I was renting, now I'm collecting rent. Run it up. First it with the Beamer, now I want the Benz. Spending all the bag like here I go again. Outside says chirp, now the camera phone. Told you I'ma keep the channels on. Why you acting different when the camera's on? Why you acting different like your paper long? 8-day wake up and I thank God. Bad decision got you wishing you could say nah. My city gritty, you could get hit any day now.
We'll be back, boys. It's gonna be way louder. Look at this Hellcat TRX. It's so clean. That sounds nasty. It sounds so good. You hear the purple? My goodness. It sounds like how I wanted it to. Oh my gosh. It sounds so good. Not only does it sound good, but the tips, like, they look amazing. Look how much better that looks. That's good. Oh my gosh. I've never heard a Mustang sound like that. Ever. Like you guys know you have like the 5.0 like raspies. Like the raspy sound. It does not sound anything like that. Like tips like look amazing on here. The shop did an amazing job on this car. Like it used to be a little quiet. But nah, this thing sounds menacing. Boy. This thing sounds nasty. That's all I'm gonna say. Catch you on the next video. I'm gonna do some full throttle pulls on the car. Like I've not stepped on it at all, like whatsoever. I'm gonna see how this thing sounds like on full throttle.